In this video, I will be showing you how to use Asana for team management. This is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to create your own Asana account. Now, to start, you have to create a new project by tapping this one, click the plus icon here, and then create the name of your project. Let's just say the name of your project is YouTube channel. You're working on a YouTube channel with this title here, okay, exploring the wonders of the natural world. Okay, and then privacy, public, everything is up to you. Now for the layout, you can choose list, board, timeline, or calendar. So for me, I want to choose list because I like this layout. So click open project. Now before anything else, let's go on to home. Let's tap home. So when you tap this one, you can see everything. Okay, so the task completed, collaborators, you can see your customized home, so on, your task, upcoming, overdue, completed. Also, you can see all the projects here. You can create a new one if you want. Task I have assigned, upcoming, overdue, completed. Everything is here, my goals. If you want to set a goal here so that it would be easier for your teammate to know what is this project all about, the vision, the mission, and what are they about to attain, what should they attain, or what this project's purpose. Okay, so you can just simply type it here. And then for the period, privacy, you can even add the email address of your teammate here. Okay, so that you can see this also. And then after that, you can simply adjust here automatic. You can put this as manual. This one you can set this as numbers, but everything is up to you. Okay, so once done, you can click this save goal. And then whenever you feel tired or something like that, you can look at this goal to encourage you and your team. Okay, so we have here inbox. You can see the messages here for reporting. You can see the teamwork from every angle. Also, you can tap portfolios and goals. Okay, you can see the goal here, right? Okay, so let's proceed with the project. Now we are going to create tasking here. So here are my sample tasks. Feel free to copy or feel free to try this one, but you can also think your tasks, especially when it comes to making YouTube channel. I will just give you a sort of idea on what type of task or what task name you should write on your Asana project. Okay, so for example, we have here channel concept development or channel strategy, video production, narration and voiceover, editing and post-production, and SEO and video optimization. So here are samples of task name. Now, in order for me to assign a task, all I have to do is click the task name and then click assignee, select the email address of my team member, also select due date. Now you can add something to the project like a note or an instruction, something like that. For example, I want you to research popular nature and so on. Now for the description, you can add description here, like define the core concept of the channel, identify the target audience, something like that, research popular nature topics, okay, and so on. Now you can edit this and you want to make it bold, italic, or you can add some links, or you can record a video in order for you to easily explain or convey your thought. You can use screen recording in order for you to easily explain everything. It could be description, instruction to your team, especially if you don't like to type it or you think that it would be easier for you to show them what you want to say, what you want to explain. So you can do this screen record and show them everything you want to show. So that's the good thing about Asana. And then you can stop recording and also you can add title, for example, sample topic, and then add this video here. Then the teammate or the team member or even all members can see this video here. Okay, it will notify them. Okay, so this is the result All they have to do is simply click that to play, and they can watch this video. Now, the good thing about here is that you can see add a subtask. It means that if I'm going to give a task to a certain person, I can also give a subtask to another person or another teammate. So from this task, I can add subtask to my other teammate here, like Tenny Hi. Another tab subtask given to another person, let's just say Samuel. And also you can attach anything here, like you can add something from your Google Drive, computer, and so on. And also you can customize anything here. You can even add application. For example, if you want to add Zoom application, you can add Zoom here. All you have to do is just simply connect to Zoom and then allow Zoom to have access or grant permission to have access to Asana and then sign in. Then you can simply use the Zoom in your Asana account. And this way, you can use Zoom when you want to have meeting with your teammates. Also, apart from that, you can add forms and other features here. So that's it. Now, after that, you can simply assign another task again to your teammate. For example, Samuel. You can do this all over again. You can mark complete if the task has completed. So that's it. And I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.